Hey guys, Alec here from Build Nerd. In today's video, I'm back with another Mandalorian build. I printed these wrist covers from the Mandalorian on my Elegoo Saturn. Let's check it out. So back with a pretty quick video today. I decided to print these wrist covers for my Mandalorian cosplay on my Elegoo Saturn. This is, really quick print. They printed really well. I'm very happy with the outcome. This is one of the pieces of armor that the Mandalorian did not turn to Beskar. I'm sure just because they didn't have enough Beskar, so maybe in Season 2 he'll get upgraded ones. But this is accurate to the end of the season cosplay, so that's where I'm shooting for. These were printed in some ABS-like Elegoo gray resin, and they were printed on my Elegoo Saturn. So I have my print settings at 4 seconds per layer and then 40 seconds for the bottom layer. It's a bit longer than you can do on the Elegoo Saturn, but I like to have a bit more time to cure, really get some of those details in there. And here's a couple quick shots from the show. So this one is before he got his new Beskar armor, and you can see it right there next to the blaster. So I'm trying to follow this template, and I think this model definitely worked out really well with that. And then here is it with after he got his Beskar armor. You can still see that it is the same covering, which is nice. Again, this is a end of Season 1 cosplay, so who knows, maybe in Season 2 they'll do an updated one, and then I'll definitely print that as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe down below. And until next time, build your nerddom.